Lesson 9. Tick the correct answer. The outermost part of a flower is called sepals. The most important function of flower is to produce seeds. We can recognize flowers with our eyes closed by their scent. Bees make honey from nectar. Person who sells flowers is called florist. Fill in the blanks. The most beautiful and colored part of a plant is flower. People who sell flowers are called florists. People who rear bees are called aparists. Broccoli is a flower. We eat flowers of broccoli, cauliflower, banana plants. Answer is one or two words. Yellow powdery substance in a flower is called pollen grains. We get dash from crocus flower, saffron. Green part of a plant is leaves. Colored part of a flower is called petals. Transfer of pollens from stamens to stigma is called pollination. लेसन 10 की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे अब. राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स. ये आपके ट्रू फॉल्स हैं. म्यूनिसिपैलिटी एंड म्यूनिसिपल corporations take care of plants and trees in public gardens and roadsides. True. Nature will lose its balance if we keep cutting trees. True. Chipko movement was started by Sundarlal Bhugana. True. Planting trees is called deforestation. Cross. Chipko movement was started in 1975. Cross. Match the correct answer in following column A, column B. Deforestation. Deforestation में क्या आएगा? Cutting of trees. सुंदरलाल भुगाना environmentalist. वन महोत्सव annual planting festival. Forestation process of planting trees. Chipko movement tree hugging movement. Fill in the blanks. Dash is a movement to save trees. Chipko movement. Cutting down of trees is known as deforestation. In dash, the saplings are planted throughout the country. Van Mahotsav. People who live in forests are called tribals or Adivasis. Over dash by animals must be prevented to save environment. Grazing. Lesson 9. Question answer. In which part of the plant seed is produced? The plant's seed is produced inside ovary. What is the main function of a flower? The main function of flower is to produce fruits and ultimately the seeds. What is apiculture? Apiculture is the science of beekeeping. Name some flowers eaten as vegetables. Some flowers eaten as vegetables like 1. Cauliflower, 2. Broccoli, 3. Banana plants. Mention the importance of flowers in our lives. Importance of flowers in our lives. 1. Flowers are used to decorate our homes. Flowers of neem and rose petals are used as medicines. 3. Flowers of banana are used as vegetables. 4. Flowers like jasmine and rose used to make oil and perfumes. Lesson 10. Question answer. Write the name of 3 trees you see in your neighborhood. Name, banyan tree and peepal are common trees we see in our neighborhood. List why trees are important. Trees are important for many ways. 1. Trees provide habitat to a large number of animals and birds. 2. Trees take in carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. 3. Trees provide us useful products such as gum, paper, medicine, etc. 4. Trees provide us fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum. Question 3. Write the name of two medicinal plants. Bhringraj, Pipli. Bhringraj, this is good for our liver. Pipli, this gives relief from stomach problems. Write two reasons why plants or trees are grown. Plants or trees are grown for their beauty and shade. Second, trees keep air fresh and cool. Who are tribals? How do they live in the forest? People who live in forests are called tribals. Tribals depend on forest plants and animals for their food. बच्चों, आपको ये चारों लेसन 7, 8, 9 और 10 यूनिट टेस्ट के लिए अच्छे से लर्न करने हैं ताकि तुम्हारा टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा जाए. थैंक यू.